2018
Mazda 3.
With less than 56,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, heads-up display, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth. Don't risk the regrets. Test drive it today.